My video guide will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called SHINRA. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover your data. Even though I cannot fully guarantee that I will help you to recover the files. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, so use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install it, and then start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. After the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium. This way, your data would always be under the protection from further malware or ransomware attacks. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.